To you all in Kana Math classes for 12th Math based on CBSE board under NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous video, we are going to try the question number 18 under exercise 10.2. Here we have given vector AB, BC and AC, and here is the four option for the answer. That is the first option, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. Second option, AB plus BC minus AC is equal to 0. Third option, AB plus BC minus CA is equal to 0. And here the fourth option, that is under D, AB minus CB plus CA is equal to 0. We have to choose one of the correct option amongst the four options of the answer A, B, C, D. Before trying the question, I want to draw your attention about the addition of vector. Triangle, addition of vector by triangle. Triangle rule, in order to find out the addition of vector, here in ABC triangle you must observe here is a vector AB, BC in the same direction will be equal to vector AC by triangle addition rule. By triangle addition rule, by triangle addition rule, in triangle ABC, vector AB plus vector BC, vector AB plus vector BC is equal to vector AC. This is the triangle addition rule of the vectors, and the vectors who form the triangle may be added like this: AB plus BC in the same direction, and the initial point of these two vectors is just start from A, then this will be equal to AC. I mean vector AB plus vector BC is equal to AC. This is the triangle addition rule. You must observe about the option A. This is obviously AB plus BC is equal to AC, and if you transfer this towards left hand side, this will be equal to minus AC, and by the definition of vector, minus AC will be equal to CA. Hence, this option is also true, and the option second, AB plus BC minus AC, CA you may write here minus AC. Option A and B are similar. I will draw your attention about the option fourth, that is AB minus CB plus CA is equal to 0. This option D nothing but the modified form of the option A, because minus CB is equal to plus BC. Minus CB is equal to plus BC. Change of direction. Now in this way we observe that the answer which have option A, B and D are correctly similar. A, B and C is almost identical. Hence, from A, B we get we get AB plus BC is equal to minus CA or AC, and AB plus BC is equal to AC. Now these two options have same right hand side. AC is equal to AC. Here we have AB plus BC is equal to minus CA. Minus CA. Let us put this is minus CA and AB plus BC is equal to AC. Now from these two equations we get minus CA is equal to AC. By transferring the sides, here 0 is equal to CA plus AC, or AC is 0 but AC can't be 0. Hence, option C is correct. Option of answer C is correct. This is to be done. Now, in this question number 19 under exercise 10.2, we have given that two collinear vectors A and B are two collinear vectors. Then we have to choose from the following option A, B, C, D that which option is incorrect. From the very definition of collinear vectors, as I have already stated you since the very beginning of the definition of vectors are different type of vectors, that collinear vectors or the vectors who are parallel are having the same direction but different in magnitude. Collinear vector or parallel vector but different in magnitude. Then if you inspect the option A, here vector B is equal to some quantity, scalar quantity lambda into vector A. This is the correct answer because vector B and A are parallel and the very multiplication of y differentiate the vector B from vector A in magnitude. Hence this is correct. And what about the very option B of the answer? Vector A is equal to plus minus vector B. Plus minus vector B. This also may be the correct answer because this is the parallel in direction but different in magnitude. Because by virtue of definition of the collinear vectors that they are parallel but different in magnitude. Here we must write A, B are two collinear vector meaning parallel but different in magnitude. Here we may write vector A, vector B, but not equal in magnitude. Hence this is also correct, and here A, B are proportional. A, B are proportional. Difference in magnitude may be true such that A and B may be proportional or 2 times or 1 by 2, 1 by 3rd. This is also correct answer. But what about the option of the answer D? A and B have same direction but of different magnitude. But of same direction but of different magnitude. This is the correct answer of the option of the question under 19. Thanks you for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe.